What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be singing a cough syrup by Glee, and this is the karaoke version. And as before, I always have said, this belongs to respective owners. Without further ado, let's see how I can pull this off. Life's too short to even care at all. Oh, whoa. I'm losing my mind, losing control. Oh. These fishes in the sea, they're staring at me. Oh, 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 oh. A wet world aches for a beat of a drum. Oh, oh, oh. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down, come down. And also make sure to subscribe. Life's too short to even care at all. Oh, whoa. I'm coming up now, out of the blue. Oh. These zombies in the park, they're looking for my heart. Oh, 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 oh. A dark world aches for a splash of the sun. Oh, whoa, whoa. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. And so I run out to the things they said to restore me, restore life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down. Life's too short to even care at all. Oh, whoa. I'm losing my mind, losing control. Oh, oh. And we'll have this long music going before the singing starts again. If you wonder why I have not uploaded any videos recently, it's because I was first sick for a period of time, and another period of time until today. I didn't really think about what to do in the videos, but finally I thought about doing another karaoke on my covers episode, so it better be I like video. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. And so I run out to the things they said to restore me, restore life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down. One more spoon of cough syrup now. Whoa. One more spoon of cough syrup now. Oh, oh. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys later.